You know that you're feeling that in the name of luxury living, all the projects in Gurgaon are giving full of amenities in the project. But the true luxury which we all are missing is an open area or lush green area. Today, the project which I am showing to you, it's not in the competition of best, but it is perfect one from every aspect. Hello friends and welcome back to YouTube channel. My name is Rachit Garg and I'm from Address Creators. Here are the glimpse of the project. Sobha Aranya, it's coming up in a land bank of 31.28 acres in which they are launching their first phase on 14.81 acres where 5 towers, high-rise, elite segment it's coming up in which tower 1, 2 and 3 they are coming up with a height of G plus 43 in which you are getting a 2-core apartment, and yes, it's a purely 4 BHK apartment. The starting size of 4 BHK is 3392 square feet to 4240 square feet. Spread across 270 acres. This is not just a residential area. It's a golf resort lifestyle built around nature and sustainability. Imagine living beside an award-winning 9-hole golf course surrounded by forest, lakes and biodiverse green zones. Today we are at Sobha Aranya, located in Sector 80 of Gurgaon. So continuing my last statement before my introduction, why it is perfect project. So here are the reasons. Number 1, it is the only project which is located in 270 acres of Sobha Karma Lakeland Golf Course. With the location benefit, the second reason is financially sound developer is the utmost requirement for your money safety and a real luxury development. A low density project with only 5 towers that make you feel like a resort living. Now let's check it out, the sizes and the details of the project. Now I'm going to show you a 4 BHK apartment along with servant room. The size will be 3761 square feet. So as we enter, you can see a huge entrance gate. It's a 8 feet height entrance gate, and along my right hand side it's a servant room. For a warm welcome, it's a big size foyer space. The size is 11 by 6 into 8 by 2. This is the first room of the apartment and you can convert into your office space also. The size of this 11 by 14 along with balcony and washroom. Now this is the living room of the apartment. The size of this 11 by 2 into 15.3. Opposite to family lounge. Now I'm going to show you the living and dining area. You can see it's a good and big size where you can sit 8% capacity. The size of this 21 by 18 along with a running balcony. This is the kitchen of the apartment. The size of the kitchen is 8 by 10 into 14 by 11, along with utility area and servant room. The kitchen is designed as a dry cooking space, while the utility area functions as the wet zone. This is a multi-purpose space that can be used as a puja room, a home workstation, or even a reading corner. The size of this 8 by 10 into 5 by 11. Now here is a second bedroom of the apartment. Similar in size जैसे मैंने आपको first room दिखाया था. This room also have balcony and attached bathroom. The size of the room is 11 by 6 into 14 by 3. So now I'm going to show you the third bedroom of the apartment. Basically, it's ideal for all age group, from kids to any member of the family. It features direct access to its own private balcony. The size of the bedroom is 11 by 4 into 14 by 3, along with washroom. Now this is the master bedroom. This is spacious master bedroom that has excellent proportion for a king size bed and additional lounge sitting. And you can see it's running with a huge balcony along with walk-in closet and washroom. The size of the room is 13 by 3 into 16 by 5. So now moving further, tower 4 and 5, they are coming up with a height of G plus 46 with 3 2-core apartment, in which you are getting 3 BHK and 4 BHK. So in 3 BHK there are multiple sizes and the starting size from 2836 square feet. A 75,000 square feet clubhouse with indoor pool, gym, cafe, co-working space, mini theater and sport courts. Along with this, our Olympic-sized pool, jogging tracks, kids zone, forest walk. In Shobha Aranya, living here feels like a wellness resort. Shobha Aranya, located in Sector 80. This township connects smoothly to NH48 and Dwarka Expressway, making travel to Delhi and IGI Airport smooth and fast. Schools, hospital, malls, business hub, everything is within reach. Yet you live away from city rush. Life here moves differently, or we can say meaningful life. Here are premium and essential features of Shobha Aranya. We are just a step away from the biodiversity park. A 9-hole golf course where you can play a complete round and 5 different forest pockets. The 650-meter promenade gives residents private and car-free access to nature. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade and a smart asset. If you are waiting for the right luxury home in Gurgaon, inside a green township, built by a branded name, this is your moment, as we have exclusive inventory available in this project. So if you have any kind of query, you can contact me at the given number below, or you can DM me in the comment section. For more information, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.